DJI, a leading name in drone technology, is rumoured to be developing two exciting new drones, the DJI Neo 2 and the DJI Avata 3. While official details are scarce, leaks and insider information provide a glimpse into what these drones might offer. In today's video, we will compare the rumoured features of both models to help enthusiasts understand what to expect. So, let's get straight into the video. The Neo 2 is expected to have a compact, foldable design, making it a perfect choice for travelers and casual drone users. This means that when you're not flying, you can fold the drone's arms to make it take up less space, so it's easy to pack and carry. This feature makes it much more portable than many other drones, especially for people who need a lightweight drone for trips or outdoor activities. Additionally, the Neo 2 addresses a common issue with the original Neo, the noise level. Many users complained that the original Neo was a bit loud while flying. The new design is rumoured to help reduce the noise, making it more enjoyable to fly in quiet places or around other people without disturbing them too much. On the other hand, the Avata 3 will likely keep its FPV design, which is all about providing an immersive flying experience. This design allows pilots to feel like they are actually inside the drone while flying, thanks to special goggles or screens that show the view from the drone's camera. The Avata 3 will probably not be as compact as the Neo 2, since it's designed more for FPV enthusiasts who want a slightly bigger drone for smoother, more intense flights. The Avata 3 is expected to be more robust and durable, built to handle high-speed flights and complex maneuvers. Whether flying through tight spaces or making sharp turns, this drone is made for the more adventurous type of flying. The upcoming Neo 2 drone is expected to get a significant boost in camera quality. According to leaks, it might come with a 1-inch camera sensor that can take 20 megapixel photos. What does that mean? A bigger sensor allows the camera to capture more light, so it can take clearer and brighter pictures, even when it's dark. The photos will also have more detail and better colors. On top of that, the Neo 2 might be able to record super high quality videos at 5.4K resolution at 60 frames per second. That means smoother and sharper video, great for beginners and people wanting to make professional looking content. The new Avata 3 drone is expected to be perfect for fans of FPV flying, where you get a bird's eye view as if you were in the drone. This drone will likely get a larger image sensor than the older model, possibly a 1 by 1.3 inch CMOS sensor. That means better image quality and performance in low light, so your videos look great in the evening or indoors. Rumours also indicate that the Avata 3 may come with advanced stabilization technology. This helps keep the video smooth and steady, even when the drone is flying fast or making sharp turns. That's perfect for people who want action-packed footage that still looks clean and professional. The upcoming Neo 2 drone is expected to be much faster than the original version. Leaks suggest it could reach a top speed of 60 miles per hour. That means it can fly quickly across long distances and handle wind better. Not only that, but the battery life is also expected to improve a lot. The Neo 2 might stay in the air for up to 40 minutes on a single charge. That's a big jump from the first Neo drone and gives users more time to capture videos, explore, and enjoy flying, without worrying about running out of power too soon. On the other side, the new Avata 3 drone will likely focus on being super agile and responsive, which is very important for FPV flying. Even though the exact top speed hasn't been shared yet, people believe it will fly even better thanks to upgraded motors and improved aerodynamic design. This means it can zip around smoothly, turn quickly, and give pilots more control. the battery life might also get better. Rumours say it could fly for up to 30 minutes, giving FPV pilots more time in the air to capture cool footage and enjoy the thrill of flying. The Neo 2 is rumoured to have advanced obstacle avoidance systems that will make flying safer in tricky or crowded places. This system might include sensors on all sides of the drone to detect obstacles from any direction, whether in front, behind, or to the sides. This would help prevent crashes and make flying in tight spaces much easier. On top of that, the Neo 2 may have AI-powered tracking features like Active Track 5.0. This means the drone can follow people, animals, or objects more accurately than ever. Whether you're filming someone riding a bike or following a moving car, the Neo 2 will stay locked on your subject and capture smooth, dynamic footage. The Avata 3 is expected to have similar obstacle avoidance improvements, possibly with omnidirectional sensors. These sensors will help the drone be aware of everything around it, making it safer during FPV flying. It will know if something is too close, which helps prevent accidents while flying fast or doing sharp maneuvers. The tracking system on the Avata 3 might also be more advanced, allowing the drone to follow moving subjects while capturing high-quality footage. This feature is perfect for filming fast action scenes or tracking moving objects during FPV flights. The Neo 2 might come with a redesigned controller featuring a built-in touchscreen, eliminating the need for a smartphone during operation. Connectivity upgrades could include Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3 support, ensuring faster and more stable connections. The Avata 3 is expected to be compatible with the latest DJI goggles, featuring AR capabilities for an immersive FPV experience. The drone may also support the next-generation O4 transmission system, offering higher resolution live feeds and increased range. While the DJI Neo 2 and Avata 3 are still under wraps, the rumoured features suggest that DJI is preparing to cater to a wide range of drone users. The Neo 2 focuses on portability and ease of use, making it ideal for casual users and travelers. In contrast, the Avata 3 is designed to deliver an enhanced FPV experience for enthusiasts and professionals. As always, these details are based on leaks and should be taken with caution until official announcements are made. That wraps up today's video. Thanks for watching.